Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just a few minutes. So let's start, but first make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe. First of all, open up a blank slide and go to shapes and insert a big rectangle. Then we're gonna give it a shadow. The next thing you have to do is just put 4 rectangles like this, group them so that they cover the entire rectangle equally, and then we're gonna put some smaller rectangles in a pattern like this. One by one we're gonna put all the things here. Here we go. Then we're just going to change the colors at a certain point. Here we go. Then what we're gonna do is add a triangle in front of the connections where the colors are changing so that this looks like an arrow. Here we go. We're gonna insert lines and then rectangles here. We're gonna insert the text right here. Here we go. Then we're gonna add our text right here. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe.